I'm just worried about how I attract the right customer base to my business. I want to differentiate myself from the $10, $20 a cut lawn guys that are around me. I'm in the Boston area, and I just want to differentiate myself. Working at companies that do high quality work, and they're working on these properties that are obviously paying a substantial amount of money, more so than any of the trucking a truck down the street that are doing it. How do I separate myself from those guys?
Yeah, like ultimately, if you want to have a premium brand and charge premium pricing, you will have to and attract premium customers. They have to see premium at every single step in the sales process. So when they see your truck, when they see the door hanger, when they see the yard sign, when they call you, there needs to be a premium experience. So, like, if you can say something that no one else can, like we answer our phones 24/7, or we our trucks look professional, like super premium. They're wrapped, they look clean. Our uniforms are clean. The team out in the field is professional. If those things are true, they will then expect premium pricing. Now, what the disconnect is, and why some people say, well, I raised my prices and everyone left, is you don't have a premium brand. Like when you go to your website, it looks like you are a $20 cut person. When you roll down the street in your truck, like you look like you're a $20 cut. So like the reason that the Gucci bag is sold for $4,000 is because of brand. It probably cost $50 to make it. Very similar to the $100 handbag that's also for sale on Amazon. And so the difference is simply brand. And so if you're able to create a brand in your market using a great website, great uniforms, great truck wraps, and that marketing aspect, like the premium brand, if 70% of estimates, the first one that a customer gets accepted. 70%. That was a study from Invoca and Angie. Meaning, if you just get if you're the first business to get in front of the customer and give them a price, you get 70% of customers accept that estimate. Here's why. Not because it's just they're like impulsively buying. It's because it proves to the customer you have systems in place that make you a premium and you respect their time. If you have instant quotes, if you have over-the-phone pricing, it shows I respect your time enough and I've created systems in place enough, and if you can trust me to answer your phone call and answer your email and get back to you quickly and have a great-looking website, I can also do that on your property. And so many times we wonder, like if you go to a store and the sign is falling apart, like you're going to a gym or you're going to a grocery store and the sign out next to the road is falling apart. And then you turn inside the parking lot and the sign above the entrance to the facility is also falling apart, and there's like mildew and there's a bunch of moss growing and a bunch of spider webs. Also not a good look. They don't expect to walk in there and buy a $4,000 Gucci bag. And so what I kind of parallel that with is the sign is your truck. The big decal, the van, the truck that you've decaled, that's the sign. If it doesn't look good, they don't even turn into the parking lot. They don't even go to your website. When they now see your storefront, the sign out above your actual storefront, the building itself, that is the equivalent of your website. And these things need to match up. Then you look at your truck, premium. I then go to their website. I now have seen their quote unquote storefront, looks premium. Now when I walk inside those doors, I expect premium pricing. And so if you have a really low close rate, a lot of times it's a mismatch of value and price and the perception of value from the customer. So if your truck is not premium, your website's not premium, don't think you're going to be able to charge premium pricing just because.